Cumin has many evidence-based health benefits. Using cumin as a spice increases antioxidant intake, promotes digestion, provides iron, may improve blood sugar control, and may reduce food-borne illness. Friends, in today's video we will talk about how cumin will help us in reducing weight. Also, we'll check how to prepare cumin drink or how to consume cumin on a regular basis to fetch maximum benefits. Please stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Friends, stomach is the root of all the illness. Only healthy stomach can keep you healthy and slim. The biggest problem why some people are fat and are not able to lose weight is because their stomach is not healthy. I mean, they are not able to digest what they are eating, and due to that, whatever they are eating is just getting accumulated in their tummy and getting converted into body fat, hence increasing the body weight of that person. So in today's video, we will discuss about a special spice which will not only help us in keeping our stomach healthy, but will also help in accelerating the weight loss process. Introducing cumin. Friends, cumin is rich in anti-inflammatory antioxidants and is also known to be antibacterial and antiseptic. It can solve a host of your tummy woes, fortify digestive tracts, relieve nausea, bloating and constipation. Starting your day with 1 glassful of jeera water, cumin, which is also called as jeera, could prove to be a game changer for you in terms of health and weight loss. Jeera water will help jumpstart your metabolism and will help balance blood sugar in addition to boosting your hydration. Cumin can be used for weight loss as it is an effective weight loss remedy. Cumin can help in burning calories faster by increasing the speed of metabolism and improving digestion. When you have a healthy digestive system and a faster metabolism, you will automatically lose weight. It is believed to be a great ingredient for solving a host of health problems like poor digestion, constipation, insulin resistance, metabolism, etc. Moreover, it may also help in burning the belly fat and lose weight effectively. It acts as a painkiller and is especially beneficial in curing stomachache, abdominal pain, etc. Cumin water generally stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes and accelerates the digestive process, thus helping you fight gut issues. Cumin seeds are known for their bacterial effects in terms of increasing breast size, and exercise for pectoral development does not increase the size of the breast, but helps develop pecs that will push breasts forward, which will make them look bigger and firmer. Recent studies have found that there's an herb out there, black seed cumin, that can help those with an underactive thyroid, combat their condition and decrease their risk factors of other health complications. As you all know, it is an integral part of Indian cuisine. Cumin is a great remedy for stimulating milk production in mothers. These seeds are packed with iron, which is an essential mineral for nursing mothers. Cumin powder should be consumed with warm milk at bedtime for best results. It naturally fights acne, clogged pores and inflammation. One of the most appealing benefits of black cumin seed oil is its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which work to reduce clogged pores and control oil, as well as tame redness and soothe irritation. Which means if you want a good glowing skin, then add this to your diet. As I said, to summarize, it promotes digestion, it is rich in iron, it contains beneficial plant compounds, helps in diabetes, improves blood cholesterol, it promotes weight loss and fat reduction, it prevents foodborne illness, and it helps with those who are drug dependent. Benefits of Jeera water makes it one of the healthiest drinks ever known. Friends, let's check out how to make this Jeera water or cumin water so that we can reap maximum benefits. Check out. hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions, please do write it down in the comment section below and I will definitely reply to it. Alright, I hope you stay healthy and remember, you can make a difference. This is Saubhagya.